So we're ready. Let's begin the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
Now starting us off with some first shots going up. That comes from the Blue Alliance member 12014.
Fire wires!
And they're joined by their partner shooting from the far field. That's 10-1-36.
Frost Robo Falcons!
Shooting in from the close field for Load Robotics, now swinging out to the gate. That's 25-609.
Load Robotics!
And holding out in the far field after their action is 22-3-31.
Random!
Drivers, pick up your controllers. Three, 2, 1.
48-35 is that Red Alliance lead coming out of the autonomous period. Associates robots now quickly working to fire artifacts in and clear out the gate as needed for any backlog from that autonomous period. Fire wires on the Red Alliance appears to be playing the close field. On the Blue Alliance appears to be playing the close field as their partner Frost Robo Falcons stay out afar, bringing artifacts right on into the goal. Red Alliance appears to also be split, one near, one far. 22-3-31 on the Red Alliance. That's random from Fort Wayne, Indiana. Taking artifacts on board, swinging right back to that near launch zone. One goes up, trying to get some more push through. There's the second. Load backing them up from the far launch zone, loading up and swinging around, possibly coming in close, opting to shoot from far, though. Lining up their bright orange turret. 1, 2, 3. Going 2 for 3 on the volley, staying on in the goal. We have 1:05 left to go, 101-73. Red Alliance is leading with 30 artifacts scored to the Blue Alliance's 22. Red Alliance maintaining their general traffic strategy. Looks like Blue using about the same strategy. Fire wires staying close by. Their Alliance partners, Frost Robo Falcons, staying afar. They're having some trouble getting the real estate they need to launch. As a reminder, Alliances need to be inside the white triangles on the floor. Those are the launch lines if they want to fire on the goal. Frost Robo Falcons and Load both want that far away one, which isn't especially big enough to fit both of them where they want to go, especially given their traffic flows from their opposing sided loading zones. 25 seconds to go. 134-85 is that Red Alliance lead as the whistle comes in. That means end the game begins. Alliance is still focusing on artifacts for now, bringing up their Alliance's scores. But here comes Firewires, appearing to line up for a Blue Alliance score. Frost Robo Falcons right alongside them, scooting around. Looks like Red coming in for some scores of their own. Random trying to get a full park. Looks like Load trying to stick a wheel in for partial as time expires.
The winner, that is Red Alliance with a score of 206 points. See you soon.